Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This time, in continuation with the algebraic expression, what are we learning? We are learning factorize, and simplify. Get the keyword. I have to factorize and I need to simplify it. Now let's look at what are we having. We are having questions from here. Okay, I've got around 6 questions. I'll get into the first question to solve across. X cube plus 4x upon 2x square plus 8. What is common in this, the numerator? And the numerator, I will write it here. I can take x common and I can write this as x square into x plus 4x. This thing can I take common? When I take this common, what is left? X square is left. Dal diya. Plus x is being taken, or what is left? 4. I will write this as x bracket x square plus 4. Okay. Now next thing, let me just erase this off. Okay, here and this one. Oh, okay, here. Now the next one is I have got x square, 2x square plus 8. Okay, so there is no x here, so x is not common. 2, can I write this as 2x square plus 4 into 2? What do I take common? I am taking 2 common. So 2 comes here out, and what is left? X square plus 4. I write this 2x square plus 4. Now can you see one thing, that x square plus 4 is common? I am cancelling this out. What is my answer? X upon 2. What is that I am doing? I am factorizing, and what am I doing? I am simplifying. Look at this, the word simplify. Okay, hope you have understood what I am trying to teach you across. Same thing, what you can do is you can try solve this questions. Answers for this question is here. Okay, hope you have understood the mathematics that I am trying to teach you. Very important part of mathematics, algebra, algebraic expression, algebraic equation, factorization, simplification, evaluation, ये सब टर्म आते हैं. मतलब समझो, करने की कोशिश करो. Have a lovely day. Take care. Like, subscribe and share it across with your friends. Thank you very much, kids. Bye bye.